Humdinger Farms in Hampton, Connecticut, established 1893.
How beautiful is this? This is the first picking of the collards. No, not my farm, but some of my friends have a farm, and this is the
They
best.
grew this, and it's beautiful. This is a freshly cut stalk, fresh today. I brought eight heads home, and I'm canning them later on my live, and I can't wait. These are just gorgeous. This is the best I can do in my garden, but you know what? I take a little bit of everything. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share the channel out. Have a good day. GQUAT Traditions. I am Auntie Ellen.